Here are 25 unbelievable moments caught on camera. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. The level of confidence and audacity needed to even try this backflip penalty is through the roof. But when it is successful, it is nothing short of legendary. These goats are putting Spider-Man out of business with their incredible wall climbing techniques. This particularly peculiar phenomena is termed as the mold effect or the chain fountain phenomena. This mysterious phenomena can easily be explained by the law of inertia. Here we see a wizard in action at a local coffee shop, having his coffee and trying to blend in with normal people. Czech professional rock climber Adam Mondro put his incredible muscle strength on display in this clip, where he makes one of the most hardest moves in rock climbing seem effortless. This bartender is a hell of a smooth guy. This is probably the fastest boat you will come across in your life. These guys invented a new sport, foot surfing. Have you got what it takes, or are you like the guy in the last clip? Here is a cool fact you didn't know. Apparently bubbles can do this on laser. Why this hilarious reaction of a firefighter when he runs into a jogger moments after a tornado passed by? If you ever visit Chichen Itza, be sure to try this amazing trick.
So here, the sound comes back. Why it sounds like a bird? Don't ask me that, because we don't know.
Kaká is such a legend football player that even the referee couldn't help but take a selfie with him moments after showing him a yellow card during this charity match. We have all lived next door to unnecessarily loud, noisy neighbors at one point in our lives. This guy decided to invent something right out of a cheap sci-fi movie, as he made a firework shooting drone to scatter the loud partying neighbors. Being stuck in traffic is one of the most annoying things while commuting, but imagine having to explain this to your boss why you are late.
Trời.
Once there was a time where humans and wild horses used to roam peacefully and majestically by the ocean. Then came humans and their jet skis. Why this biker do this unbelievable stunt in front of this woman? Science never fails to amaze us, just like this satisfying video of candle ice breaking. Fluid dynamics, we don't do that here. This guy probably graduated from the Drone Pilot Academy with the first position. This passenger managed to capture this astounding video of a brewing storm as their plane passed close by. There are animals out there that are more intelligent and have better common sense than some humans, and here is an example of that. Why this airport firefighter debunked the myth that there are pots of gold at the end of the rainbow. Malfeasance captured on live TV when the CNN reporter got wrongfully arrested by the police during a protest, even though he identified himself as a CNN reporter.
Arresting him live on CNN. We told you before that we are with CNN.
You are watching our correspondent, Omar Jimenez, being arrested.
Is time travel possible? Look closely and decide for yourself. This qualification race was suspended after a massive pileup which consequently resulted in the loss of millions of dollars in a matter of seconds.
Major damage to the car, but we'll keep you informed as to whether... Oh, no! Oh, mayhem! And there's millions and millions and millions of dollars of damage here at the mighty Macau. And that is one of the worst GT accidents I've ever seen here. And all the drivers are out and having a word. But obviously nobody happy. Look at the...
I guess Jesus Christ is not the only one that can walk on water. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.